Hi, I'm Brian Savage. I'm a detective with the Lexington Police Department, and we have worked with Domestic Violence Services Network for several years now. They've been a great asset to our department, and we're very grateful to have them as a partner in assisting victims of domestic violence. DVSN will follow up on all of our domestic violence calls. They'll help the victims with safety planning. They'll walk them through the court process, assist them in court if need be, and get them connected to valuable assistance within the community. Domestic violence is an important issue because it has no boundaries. It is prevalent in all ethnic groups, all cultures, in big cities and in small towns. Aside from following up on all of our domestic violence calls, DVSN has also been utilized by our department in other situations as well. Whenever we've called them last minute to meet us at the courthouse with a resident who's going through a tough time or through a domestic violence situation, DVSN has always had an advocate ready and waiting for us at the court to assist the victim through the process. We've also had certain situations where we've had non-English speaking residents, and DVSN was able to provide an advocate as a translator and work the victim through the court process as well. The COVID-19 pandemic has left many people without jobs, isolated in their homes, and under increasing stress. While these stressors have not necessarily increased the number of domestic violence calls that we've had, we have certainly responded to a number of very troubling domestic calls during the pandemic. There is also a concern that victims are now isolated in their homes with their abusers and unable to get that privacy that they need to make a call, or unable to make the call for help, or even unable to get out of the house for assistance from a friend or another member of the community. Many of our officers and dispatchers have gone through the DVSN training program. It's a 40-hour training program, and they have found it very rewarding. Hope, to me, is having the belief that things will work out for the best, especially if it seems otherwise. And I think that's a great lesson for all of us as first responders, as domestic violence advocates, that we really need to put our best effort forward during these domestic violence calls, especially in these times, to offer victims the support that they need. Thank you.